Industries such as construction, civil engineering, interior design and BIM depend on reliable, fast and accurate data. With conventional tools, very time-consuming measurements must be done. In many cases, an accurate measurement is not possible to achieve with traditional measurement tools. Until now, the documentation of objects in narrow spaces or with complex shapes have been inaccurate and unsatisfying. With FARO's Freestyle3D, the scanning process is quick and extremely precise. The gathered digital data provides civil engineers, architects and interior designers with detailed 3D point clouds and enables the accurate documentation of the desired area. This is a major step forward for any construction project and improves the planning process. The new FARO Freestyle3D.